Hello, everyone. I'm excited that you're here, and we're going to discuss Hydrating Moisturizer. So, this is a gel like cream that not only hydrates, but it also protects, renews, and smooths our skin. Whoa, that's so good. It comes in the nice refillable packaging, which is both eco conscious and very cost effective, which I'm all about, right? Who's with me? So we all know the struggle of dealing with dry, lackluster skin and environmental things, contribute to that. The wind, the sun, pollution, they all leave our skin looking very tired. And I've experimented with various moisturizers only to feel like I was dealing with a heavy, greasy skin feel afterwards. And honestly, deciphering the ingredient list was very perplexing. So the hydrating moisturizer is designed to provide nourishing moisture without any greasy residue at all. It owes that to activated glacial water, ensuring intense hydration, potent probiotics. They bolster the skin's natural moisture barriers. We're working with the skin. And drawing from our Nordic heritage, it's enriched with plant based antioxidants that shield our skin from environmental stressors. And let's not forget, like, I love this refillable packaging. It's kind on the environment, less waste, and I'm just really a little bit obsessed with it. All right, so safety is number one priority at Norwex with all of our products. Skincare is no different. Our Nordic antioxidant blend, it detoxifies the skin. It eliminates free radicals and the pollutants while safeguarding against environmental stuff. Right? It's USDA certified. It has 85% bio-based content sourced from renewable sources. Dermatologists have given it a big thumbs up for being very gentle on all types of skin. The moisturizer is free of parabens, phthalates, gluten. Yes, you can get gluten from your cleaning and personal care products, synthetic dyes, and fragrances. It's gentle, has a silky texture, and really provides a premium experience that is very good and healthy for all skin types. It leaves our skin firmer, smoother, and much more youthful looking, which I'll take that. So, an interesting tidbit on this product: cranberry seeds are usually discarded after harvest, but we've ingeniously turned them into a nourishing, antioxidant rich oil for this product. The container is made of 30% PCR content, entirely consisting of ocean bound plastic, and features the airless pump to preserve the product freshness, and it also reduces waste. So we're getting every last drop. Refills are really a breeze to put them in. You simply pop in a new one in this reusable glass bottle and pump. Each container has about 250 pumps, so it gives us some longevity, right? Like all of our skincare products, it's cruelty free and vegan, void of any animal derived ingredients whatsoever. You can get this individually, or you can get it in one of our money saving sets. And the refills on it for this one are also at a $10 discount. And if that's not enough, right, there's also our auto ship and save program, which is awesome. You get an additional 10% off of that. So when you fall in love with it, you're going to be able to get the refills at a lower price, which is awesome. The application of this is very simple. We just liberally apply this both morning and night. So this is one product for morning and night. Talk about easy and simple. And my counter is not going to be full of stuff, right? You just massage it. All right. So I just put a little bit on my hand, massage it into our face and neck and our décolleté. And I always forget this. We want to rub in an upward motion if we can. If we can remember. Like, I keep going back to doing circles, right? Upward strokes. Now, don't forget, if you have any product left in your hands, which you probably will, rub it on the back of your hands. Keep our hands looking younger too. And you know what? This product's awesome because results truly speak for themselves. We've had an independent consumer study, and it revealed that after just 1 week of use, listen to this, 96 experienced instant hydration. 94% enjoyed long-lasting hydration, and 90% noticed a renewed and youthful appearance. After 4 weeks in that study, 90% of participants observed a brighter, more radiant skin tone, and 90% felt softer, smoother, and firmer skin. How awesome is that? I love these clinical studies and results. So let's dive into the ingredients because I'm all about what's in it, right? And I also want to explain the benefits of each one. So the first one we're going to talk about is glacial water. It is intensely hydrating. It is rich in essential minerals. Cranberry seed that I mentioned, it's cranberry seed oil. What that does is it calms and strengthens the skin's protective barrier. Again, we're working with the skin. And it also has a Nordic antioxidant complex, which is a trio of organic cloudberry, lingonberry, and sea buckthorn oils with very potent antioxidant benefits. It also has vitamin C. We know that's good for us. Vitamin C revitalizes dull complexions. It also has a new ingredient, which I'm learning about, called honey locust. It minimizes wrinkles and under eye bags. Yes. It also has sodium hyaluronate and an amino acid blend, and they provide an instant hydration and much more youthful appearance. Also has aloe leaf, and we know aloe soothes and improves the skin's appearance. It has vitamin E, which gives us antioxidant protection, and lactic acid that gently exfoliates and softens our fine lines, which I want so much of that, right? Adenosine soothes and restores the skin. It contributes to a much more smoother complexion. Packed full of probiotics. Probiotics revive and renew the skin tone, protecting the skin's delicate microbiome. So before we conclude, consider this fact, which I learned this morning. Plastic packaging has multiplied over 120 times since 1960. 120 times. And in 2018 alone, there's almost 7.9 billion units of rigid plastic that was from beauty and personal care products just in the United States. And in Canada, around 773 million plastic beauty containers are disposed of in landfills every single year. So I am a bit obsessed with the refillable skincare approach. I've never had anything like this before. It aims to make a difference, not only reducing waste in our home, but in the environment, and it contributes to a much healthier planet, right? So thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to our next video. And